be plus and minus 1. This one is all good, and since we're multiplying, it's the same. Okay, then we're going to go down here, and we're going to look at the bottom of our fraction. And if we wanted to factor the bottom of this first fraction to put here, we have to split our x up to an x and an x. And we need numbers that are going to multiply to give us 6 and add to give us 5. Or again, you could be using your graph or your table or your quadratic formula, whatever works better for you. I think it's going to be positive 3 and positive 2. And then we have to look at the other side. I'm running out of marker colors here. See what else we got. Purple. Purple's lovely. And we're going to come down here, and we're going to split that fraction up. We have an x and an x. And in order for us to get a 2 here and a negative 3 here, we're going to need a negative 2 and a negative 1. That one's a little trickier. But negative 2 times negative 1 is positive, because 2 negatives make a positive. And negative 1x and negative 2x would be together and give us negative 3x. So that's not so bad. We're going to rewrite it as one fraction, or rewrite it all together like we did our multiplication on the other side. So we have x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 3. All we did here was rewrite the whole top. So I will slide that up a little bit for you. Rewriting the entire top part. Then we're going to rewrite that the whole thing on the bottom. So we have an x plus 3, an x plus 2. Now this side, an x minus 2, and an x minus 1. And then we get to do my favorite part.
With a smiley face.
The reducing part. So we look at what's on the top and what's on the bottom that matches up. And I see I have an x minus 1 on the top and the bottom, so I can cross those out. And I have an x plus 3 on the top and the bottom, so I can cross those out. And finally, I just have to write what I have left. On the top, I have x plus 1 left. If you cancel everything out of your top, then you would just write the number 1 on the top. That's all you have left. Okay? If there's nothing else there, we write a 1. And then on the bottom, I'm just going to write what I have left on the bottom, x plus 2 and x minus 2. Or if I got to this point and I realized I still had something that matched, I could still cancel that out. But, for right now, we'll leave it like that. And we are done. We are done, boy.